part 2 of nature at its best.
Fucking nerd. What are you, the History Channel?
No, it would actually either be Nat Geo or Discovery. Get your channels correct. Oh. No! Turn the light off. You're gonna get it killed.
And it's dead.
Wait.
One last fight.
One last fucking fight. Ew, that spider looks like it's pregnant.
I think it is, bro.
Look! Oh! Oh, it won't even focus on it.
Click.
There we go. I think it's pregnant. Oh, you're in the window. So you're in this video.
Oh my gosh. I think it's dead now.
No, it's still moving a little bit.
Is it starting to...
Oh, it's done with it. But that fucking spider's pregnant. Oh my god. And this is exactly why nature sucks ass. Poor Mothy.
Look.
What the fuck?
Look, what is it doing?
I don't know. Should I keep taping?
Yeah. I'm about to fucking tape on the iPad. It would focus so much better.
Alright. Oh, wait, there we go. I got a good focus.
Here.